Hello everyone. Today I will teach to you the next point in the electrochemistry chapter is the concept of electrode potential. You remember one important point, the concept of electrode potential, that is the oxidation and reduction potential, these terms is used in the electrochemical cell. In previous video you know the definitions of electrolytic cell, the cell in which electric current is converted into chemical energy, the cell is called as the electrolytic cell. The second type of cell is the electrochemical cell. What is by electrochemical cell? In electrolytic cell, what happens? Electric energy is converted into chemical energy. But in electrochemical cell, what happens? You remember, chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Such type of cell is called as the electrochemical cell. Understand? In the electrochemical cell, these two terms are used: oxidation potential and reduction potential. The scientist Nernst tried to explain how to develop the oxidation potential and reduction potential on the respective electrodes. In this electrochemical cell, the oxidation potential developed on the cell is a one type of cell, and reduction potential developed on the cell is called as the other type of cell. These two cells is called as the half electrode or single electrode. That is, in the electrochemical cell, the new concept is used of single electrode. How will you define now the single electrode? Try to understand the concept of single electrode. What is by single electrode? Whenever the metal, a rod or metal, is dipped in its own salt solution at definite concentration and definite temperature. Unit concentration and definite temperature. Such electrode is called as the single electrode. You see here, the zinc rod is dipped in the zinc sulfate solution, its own salt solution. Therefore, this is the one single electrode. And other is the copper electrode or copper rod is dipped in the copper sulfate solution. Therefore, this is the another single electrode. I understand what is the single electrode? When the metallic rod is dipped in its salt solution, the potential developed on the electrode is called as single electrode potentials. Best example of electrochemicals is the Daniell cell. In the Daniell cell, zinc rod dipped in zinc sulfate solution, this is the one half electrode, and copper rod dipped in copper sulfate solution, the another half electrode or single electrode. When this two electrode is connected, then what happens? It forms a Daniell cell, that is the electrochemical cell. The scientist Nernst tried to explain how to develop, what is the origin of potential. He explained that when the metallic rod is dipped in its own salt solution, then there is a two possibility, the two types of processes takes place. One is the electronation and second is the de-electronation. Means concept of electrode potential first studied by scientist Nernst. That theory is called as the Nernst theory. According to Nernst, when the metallic rod is dipped in its own salt solution, there is a two types of process takes place. It may be de-electronation or it may be electronation. Try to understand. First is the de-electronations. You know that the highly reactive metal like a S block element is a high reactive. There is a tendency to lose the electron. This metal also called as reducing agent. The metal which are easily lose the electron are called reducing agent, and the reaction in which the atoms of an element lose the electron is called as the oxidation. What is the oxidation? The reaction in which electron is loose and to form its cation, that is called as the oxidation reaction. When you take the zinc rod, zinc metal is dipped in its own salt solution like zinc sulfate solution, then zinc have ability to lose the electron and to form a cations, lose the cation in the solution, and electron is accumulated around the electrode, on the surface of electrode. I understand what happens here in the when zinc rod is dipped in the zinc sulfate solution, then zinc metal have ability to lose the electron and double layer. There is a attraction between the opposite charge electron and cations. Therefore, this negative electron, negative charge is accumulate on the surface of metal, and cation charge is accumulate around the metallic rod in the solution. It means that electric double layer is formed on this rod, and the potential is, what is the potential? Charge present on the single electrode is called as the potential. Here, which type of potential is developed here? You see in the blackboard carefully in the figure, which charge is present on the metal? Negative charge is present on the metal because they lose the electron. Therefore, the electrode is acquire the which charge? Negative charge, because cation goes in the solution. This potential is called as the negative potential, or it is also called as the oxidation potential. Means the potential is developed due to the oxidation reaction or due to the de-electronation. De-electronation means oxidation. The reaction is oxidation reaction. This is the single half electrode or single potential. Oxidation developed due to the de-electronation are called oxidation potential. I understand. And is also called as the solution pressure. It is denoted by the PS. I understand. Next possibility, according to Nernst, when the metallic rod is dipped in its own salt solution, then some metal not have ability to lose the electron. They have ability to accept the electron from the other half electrodes. For example, when the copper metal is dipped in copper sulfate solution, then copper do not lose the electron in the solution. The metal have tendency to accept the electron and accumulate or deposit the copper on the metallic rod. The potential is developed on the electrode is called as the positive potential. It is also called as the reduction potential. You see here carefully what happens here. Copper rod is dipped in its own copper sulfate solution. Then the copper ion which is present in the solution, they accept the electron and copper is deposited on the electrode. The potential is developed here. Which type of potential developed here? The copper ion deposited on the electrode, and these ion accept the electron from other electrode. Therefore, electrode acquire the positive charge and solution acquire the negative charge. The positive charge acquire on the electrode, that's called as the positive electrode. Here actually what is the mechanism takes place here? The copper ion accept the electron. If the reaction in which electron is accepted, the reaction called as the reduction reaction. It is also called as the electronation. The reaction in which electron is accepted by cations, the reaction called as the reduction reaction, and the potential is developed. Double layer is formed on the electrode. The potential called as the positive potential or reduction potential, or in short, the potential is developed due to the reduction reaction. The potential called as the reduction potential, and it is also called as the osmotic pressure of the cation due by the PU. According to Nernst theory, we can easily conclude which type of potential is developed on the single electrode on the basis of 3 points. The first point, if Ps is greater than Po, means the metal atom which have a high tendency to lose the electron. Ps is greater means high tendency to lose the electron in the solution than the osmotic pressure of cation. Then the potential is developed. The potential called as the oxidation potential, or it is also called as the de-electronation. This is the first possibility. Second possibility, if Ps is less than Po, means the metallic rod or metal which have a less tendency to lose the electron as compared to the accepting of electron, then the potential is developed on the electrode called as the reduction potential, or it is also called as the electronation. Third possibility, if the Ps is equal to Po, then there is no charge is developed on the electrode. No charge is developed because de-electronation process is equal to the osmotic pressure of cations. Therefore, there is no lose the electron and not gain the electron. Therefore, no potential developed. Such type of electrode called as the null electrode. You understand? Up to this point, you remember only 2 points in your syllabus. Only definition of de-electronation and definition of electronation only included. Null point is not included in your syllabus, in the polytechnic syllabus. I understand. You remember only the potential is developed due to de-electronation process. The potential called as the oxidation potential, and the potential developed due to the gain of electron in the single electrode are called as the reduction potential. Which type of question may be asked in the examination? They will be given in the description box, as well as some important points or notes are also given in the description box. Thank you.